September 1st marks a turning point for DevOps teams worldwide. GitHub Copilot just went fully autonomous, your CI pipelines are about to break, and half your tools are getting AI agents whether you're ready or not. Let's dive into what's actually shipping in September. From breaking changes that could tank your deployments, to AI features that will change how you work forever. We're starting small and building into the big game changers. But first, if you want these updates every month, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell. Now let's get into it. Security and compliance. Starting with security updates you can't ignore. Sneaks changing the game on September 16th. Any vulnerability scoring 9.0 or higher is automatically marked as critical severity. No more manual triage for high CVSS scores. This affects every team using dependency scanning. Your backlog might explode overnight, but here's why that's actually good news. It forces teams to address the real threats first. No more hiding behind medium severity labels. GitOps evolution. Next up, GitOps is evolving fast. Flux CD version 2.6 hit GA in June, but September's when adoption goes mainstream. Major banks are ditching Git for OCI registries. That's right, GitOps without any Git. Container registries become your single source of truth. No more Git clone times, no more merge conflict, just pure declarative state management. Meanwhile, Argo CD 3.1 goes GA this month. If you're not using Flux CD or Argo yet, you're already behind the curve. Quick reminder, subscribe if you're finding value. 80% of you aren't subscribed yet, it's free and helps me keep these coming monthly. Now for the platform updates. Platform migrations. GitHub Actions drops a migration bomb. September 2nd through 13th, Windows latest moves from Server 22 to 25. Your workflows will be randomly switched during the month. Pin to Windows Server 22 now, or suffer the consequences. AWS has an even bigger deadline. September 8th, SDK v2 dies completely. No more security patches, no more bug fixes, and no new service access. Teams are panicking in forums right now. You have days to migrate to SDK v3. This isn't optional. GitLab 18.4 ships September 18th. Their secrets manager goes experimental, native secrets management without HashiCorp Vault. Secrets stay separate from CI/CD variables, and jobs must explicitly request access to secrets. GitLab Duo workflow stays in private beta, but early users report mind-blowing results. Autonomous agents handling complex refactoring tasks. AI revolution. GitHub Copilot agent mode fully operational. This isn't autocomplete anymore. It's an autonomous developer on your team. Multi-step refactoring automated. Bug fixes self-healing. Pull requests created without human input. Enterprise customers get Claude 3.7 Sonnet, OpenAI O3 Mini, Google Gemini, Flash 2. The agent respects your brand protection, but it's writing production code right now. Datadog's latency investigator joins the AI party, automatically debugging your distributed systems. The AI traces through your entire stack. This is the future arriving early. HashiCorp and OpenTofu. HashiConf 2025 September 24th to 26th. IBM bought HashiCorp for $6.4 billion. Now they face OpenTofu's momentum. 10 million GitHub downloads and climbing. Native S3 state locking. No more DynamoDB dependencies, and the community's voting with their feet. Expect HashiCorp to announce major defensive moves. Preview releases, enterprise features, anything to compete. This conference determines Terraform's future. A word about Merge Ready. You've seen me break down these updates monthly, but what if your SaaS needs this for your product? Professional update videos that keep customers informed. I'm the talking head, you provide the updates. Now let's talk strategy. Here's what this all means for your team. September's not about new features. It's about fundamental shifts in how we work. AI agents are taking over routine development tasks. GitOps is abandoning Git for better alternatives, and security is becoming automated and non-negotiable. Your choices this month determine your 2026 roadmap. Ignore these changes at your own risk. Adopt early and gain the competitive advantage. The tools are ready. The question is, are you? Subscribe for October's updates, comment which change impacts you the most, and remember, these aren't just updates. They're the future of software delivery. Until next time, stay merge ready.